Alright guys, I have had an epic day of failures today. I'm riding with Roger. He's taking me out in the woods here somewhere, either to kill me or to show me some good roads. Not sure which just yet. But I've had a rough start to the day. My bike wouldn't start, my heated gear wouldn't work. I forgot to put on my overpants. Just stalled the motorcycle, and I've had all sorts of camera issues. But anyway, we just came from Buzzard's Roost, which was pretty freaking awesome and scary at the same time. Alright guys, Roger and I made it to a place called Buzzard's Roost. We're gonna go explore this together. I've never been here before, so ought to be interesting. From what I understand, it's gonna test my fear of heights. Alright, let's go for a walk. It's steep. Very steep. Ugh. Check that out. The highway. That is. Oh, can you guys see this? Holy crap. I'm shaking. Oh my freaking. I really hope the GoPro shows just how far down that is. Holy cow. And look, this is it. This is all there is to keep you from going over there. Alright guys, I went around a little bit. I just had to see something here. See if I even dare. But I was just standing on the top of this rock. Holy crap, that's a long way down. That up there is where you saw me a little while ago. Nothing underneath it but a long drop. Yeah. Whoa, that's scary. And now we're just riding out on some of these dirt roads. This was the Mount Sterling Trailhead Road, which neither one of us have ever been on. Roger, you said you may have an idea where this goes, but you're not sure.
Got a pretty good idea.
Okay, well that's good. So, we're just out here exploring, having some fun, riding some pretty cool roads that aren't challenging us with too technical of a stuff, but it's still a lot of fun.
Quit your bitching.
That was bitching?
Well, the first few sentences was nothing but complaining.
Ah, yes, my rough start to the day. But, even though I've had a rough start to the day, God, I'm having so much fun.
Yeah. It's, what is today? The 21st? Oh, shit.
20th.
Here we go.
Yeah.
I have it right in front of me. Just give me a second. I only got to push a 15 button. It is Monday, the 20th of February, 2023.
Correct. That it is.
According to Honda.
All right. I think Honda is correct.
And I know which holiday it is, do you?
I do now. But, you know, sometimes I mistake President's Day for Columbus Day. You know, it's one of those Monday holidays that most people don't get off of work. So, yeah.
Yeah, and they're so close together, so they're easy to stop on.
All right. Yeah, all right. So, what he's talking about is a little while ago when on his video, and I'm sure he'll put it out there for everybody to hear, I kept saying today was Columbus Day. It is not. It is President's Day, and we're out having a grand old time.
It is indeed a good day.
It is.
What is your temperature saying now?
Hold on, I gotta press the button. 15 degrees.
15 degrees Celsius.
Correct.
Mine says 56, but we did stop back there, so we might have got a little bit of engine heat.
It's not bad though. I've got just my thin gloves on. I have a sweatshirt, my jacket liner, and my mesh jacket. I'm feeling pretty comfortable. How about you?
Yeah.
Good.
Working us a little enough
To stay warm.
stay warm.
Yeah, we were a little cold on the highway this morning. We got a night.
And this is Plan B. So
Oh, that's right too.
Plan B is, it's a Plan B. It'll do. If you're just jonesing to go riding on some, mountain gravel roads that are maintained pretty well, a ho-hum Monday, Plan B was to come here because somebody forgot his gloves.
And this time it's not me.
Nope, it beat me. But Plan B is a good option.
I'm loving Plan B. If this is Plan B, I can hardly imagine how fun Plan A would be.
Plan A just involved a whole lot more interstate to get to the gravel portion. I just wanted to ride some of Smoky Mountain 500 in an area that I know, used to reside in, and was going to add in a few other gravel roads that I know, and the Fun Forest Service road that goes from pavement to Big Trail.
Right. 7-Eleven.
Goes from racetrack to Big Trail.
Yes, and quickly, if I remember correctly.
It's abrupt.
See, folks, this is why I hang out with Roger, because he knows the roads.
I know some roads. I don't know this road. Never seen it before in my life.
Nope.
I see a gate down there.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's the horse campground.
Well, there's a sign.
Little Cataloosa Creek.
Pretty Hollow Gap Trail.
Just a trailhead parking area, maybe?
Wonder why it's gated then.
Water crossing.
I got the water crossing.
Stay in the right track, but just now come out the other side. Look at that. I want to hit that.
I don't know. Might be kind of fun for a minute.
That sudden stop at the bottom might be fun.
Finding us a little bit of wet here and there.
A little bit of debris in the ditch.
Kicked up a piece pretty good. So yeah, folks, we're just out here just hanging out, having fun, being kids playing in the woods.
We need a set of washboards to follow that.
I don't think I got the audio from the washboards, so I won't be able to add that to the video.
It's a pretty cool ride.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty tame, but hey.
It may be tame, but it's still good practice.
Not practice, it's doing it.
Well, that's true. It's kind of a good way to get a feel of the bike sliding around just a tiny bit. When you're on higher speed gravel roads, this is good. Big bump.
I need a new spring.
That sucks.
Already a new spring. Maybe a new shock.
say you go with it until you can't go with it anymore. Then upgrade.
Well, would you do that?
We got us a switchback.
I hit fourth gear.
Ooh.
Immediately got on parade. Right track.
Oh yeah, I guess.
Unless you
Unless I
really feel
want
like a daredevil.
Yeah. Get some air.
Backflipping.
Yeah, that'd work out really well. Ooh, we going downhill.
There's that sound, man. Oy, oy, oy. Pretty creek down there in the bottom.
Yeah, it is.
There's a bridge.
Ooh, cool.